Hi everyone, my name is Olga. I am a Chief Marketing Officer of Softengi, an IT company from Eastern Europe. And today I'm going to speak about augmented reality marketing. It's honestly one of my favorite topics because it combines marketing with top-notch technology that can expand the possibilities for all the marketers. So today I will speak more in detail about augmented reality marketing solutions for retailers. And I will show you 5 use cases for post-COVID reality that all the retailers can use. Let's start. Marketing is becoming a more and more demanding sphere. It's obvious for those who work in this business sector for some time. The reason for this rapid transformation is the amount of data produced on a daily basis. The data which is produced reduces the value of this information. So the question is, how much content do we create? According to Forbes article, it's 2.5 quintillion bytes of data each day. Messengers are slowly substituting emails. Customers want more comfortable ways to communicate. New social media appear, such as TikTok, we've heard about it. So all I'm trying to say is that there is abundance of the information in all marketing channels. Nobody can deny it today. Forgive me this long introduction, but I promise it is directly connected to our topic, which is augmented reality marketing. According to Forbes, global quarantine caused by COVID-19 has changed everything. As the result, customer expectation toward the whole retail segment, I'm speaking about retail today, are starting to rise, forcing small and medium retail companies to ride along. AR is gaining special attention in retail today after the pandemic made direct interaction with goods impossible. So all I'm trying to say is that for retailers it's getting harder and harder to catch customers' attention, and in the post-COVID world it's even harder to meet the real customers and to showcase the products to the real customers. And the more information we produce daily, the more difficult for brands to reach their potential clients with their message. And why am I speaking about retailers? Because I personally believe that retailers are in the most difficult position right now. They are blocked, they can't sell directly, brick and mortar stores are closing all over the world, and customers are spoiled. Spoiled by Amazon, people don't want to go to the supermarkets. They want to buy everything in one click. They hate returning products. They feel frustrated and irritated. And they always expect maximum personalization because huge marketplaces taught customers that it's possible to buy fast, it's possible to get the product delivered fast, and it's possible to feel appreciated by the brand, even if it's far away and if it's some faraway retailer or marketplace. So the question is, how can a modern company attract the attention of potential customers? The answer is augmented reality. Captivating, engaging technology that can actually help to deliver the message of the brand to the customer through the technology. It can make this gap between a customer, a product, and the store invisible with the help of technology. If you give me several minutes, I will explain you the difference between augmented, virtual, and mixed reality, because it's the question that often arises when we start speaking about one of the realities. All these realities are united with the term extended reality, but today we will only speak about augmented reality. So, virtual reality, the first reality probably the most popular and the most complicated to create and to explore, because for virtual reality you need a headset, you need goggles, and these goggles are expensive. They are not available everywhere, but they are getting more and more popular. And most people who think about extended reality, they always think about virtual reality. It's a computer-generated simulation of human sessions for creation of realistic and totally immersive experience. Today, VR utilizes high-end graphics, audio, oral sensations to create almost 360 degrees immersive perception of reality. The second type of reality is augmented reality. That's the type of technology that makes the most value for retailers. It's the overlay of digital content over reality that can be seen with the help of a smartphone or a tablet. Most people have probably heard about the game Pokemon Go, so they have at least some general idea about this type of technology. And the last one is mixed reality. It also requires a headset, but it works differently, because I would say that mixed reality is the whole new level of augmented reality. What do I mean? You also see digital content overlaid over real reality, and you can also manipulate with this content, and this content is demonstrated in the form of hologram. So in this webinar, we will only talk about augmented reality because honestly, it's the most accessible technology for everyone, because everyone right now has a cell phone. Big companies have realized the potential of this augmented reality and started using augmented reality apps long time ago, and it's time for smaller and medium business to learn more about the possibilities which augmented reality presents. So first solution I'm going to tell you about is for retailers who produce and sell clothes, shoes, jewelry, maybe some objects for the home decoration. And this is the possibility to provide customers with a try before you buy option. The thing is, augmented reality apps can first of all serve as the catalog of all the goods. Using just one application, a retailer can show all existing products, all the models available in all the warehouses and stores of the world. Secondly, augmented reality applications can seriously reduce buyer's remorse. What is that? It's the feeling that you have after buying something in a store and then realizing that you don't actually need it. The thing you bought doesn't look as good as it looked on the website, or you feel disappointed, or I don't know, you regret about spending money. So many people want to battle this feeling of buyer's remorse, and augmented reality, which can give a real look and feel of the product and even try this product, can reduce this buyer's remorse. Another argument, the third argument for augmented reality apps created for trying before you buy is personalization. When you try something on your foot, or when you try something on yourself, some clothes or some vase inside your apartment, you feel that the brand is taking care of you, that it gives you the possibility to choose the best product for you personally. I personally like to check several products if they have AR apps, because it's entertaining, it's engaging, and it gives this sense of personalization, which is absolutely important right now for marketers. Among the companies that use AR apps for trying before you buy are Gucci, Nike, and Gap. So any retailer which wants to join this company should try creating augmented reality apps for trying before buying. The next solution which we will gonna explore is honestly my favorite. It's called AR navigation. Shopping mall, big supermarkets need to become smarter right now, more convenient to people, and augmented reality apps can actually make them smarter. Retailers using augmented reality indoor navigation can also achieve higher level engagement or higher level of sales. This problem arose during the COVID when people wanted to go to the store and buy all the goods as fast as possible because they didn't want to interact with the people around, with the supermarket stalls. So many retailers realized that they need to do something to improve this experience of visiting a big shopping mall or a big store. In store, AR navigation helps to show optimized routes to the desired products. And retailers have the chance to show the products they want to show or show the products with discounts with the help of AR navigation. Developing applications for the indoor AR navigation is the unique possibility for retailers to emphasize, to highlight the products they want to show. Not many retailers are using this option at the moment, but I'm sure their number will be growing since people do not want to spend a lot of time inside the stores. And one moment I would like to emphasize is the possibility to include gamification in this experience. Because going to the big shopping mall with a kid can sometimes be a real stress, but if this experience could be augmented with the help of technology and gamification, for example, creating of augmented reality mascot, so this could transform the whole shopping experience for the family. The third solution I would like you to pay attention is probably familiar to all those who have Instagram, and it concerns augmented reality filters or masks. They are available to all businesses, but companies that produce beauty products should grasp this opportunity of AR filters development among the first, of course, and they did it, like L'Oreal or Sephora. Augmented reality apps with filters give the companies an incredible possibility to show all the products from the catalog. More than that, users can experiment with several products, which increases the possibility of upsale. Like showcasing a shadow along with the lipstick is probably the most effective way to sell both without actually showing them. Retailers in general can use these AR masks to engage people in brands' content because even adults like playing with masks of zombies or Santa Clauses when they are in a good mood. So many brands such as Pepsi and Samsung have already created these funny augmented reality filters, masks for their customers. And another important moment is that customers can click to buy to any product from this AR app immediately. So it's the app not only for marketing, it's the app for sales. One moment is that we need to think about millennials and Generation Z who would love to try this type of products, technologies, when engaging with the brand's content. The fourth slide is dedicated to the combination of two technologies, two cool technologies such as augmented reality and telepresent. Commenting this slide, I need to say that PresentinAR is the application that combines these technologies. It's a completely free augmented reality application available on Google Play. I will give you the link below this video. So we created this application to expand the target audience of all retailers and help people who live in remote areas to go to the store when they need to choose something, to go to the store virtually. The reasons of remote selling and remote buying can be different right now. Some people live in suburbs, some people are babysitters, there are clients who don't like going to the store. So everyone needs to be provided with the best shopping experience possible, and it's possible to do it with the free Telepresence plus augmented reality app. PresentinAR, on the one hand, provides the possibility of direct sales and direct consulting through the video conferencing option, because there is a sales manager who connects to the client on the other side, and so it preserves emotional connection between a buyer and a sales manager. And we all know that emotional connection is the catalyst of many deals. Secondly, augmented reality helps to make a right choice for the client, because he can place any object inside the environment and study this object, whether it's so far or a ways, from various perspectives. A user can change colors, details, size of the sofa, for example, to understand what fits the best. Product catalogs are old-fashioned, and let's be honest, nobody reads them anymore. Using augmented reality, along with the possibility of telepresence, can help many retailers to augment sales. That is why these apps are getting more and more popular. The slide number 5 is also a very curious augmented reality solution, which is called interactive labels. This solution fits the most to fast-moving consumer good business sector, because the majority of these goods have labels. AR-based interactive labels are a perfect possibility for brands to speak to their clients directly and provide them with valuable additional information in the interactive and entertaining form. And among the brightest option of interactive AR labels, I would name the possibility of telling the story of your brand and introducing your company's mascot to the customer in engaging form. AR labels can also tell about the current discount programs, if there are any. Millennials and Generation Z are especially interested in brands if those have values that resonate with them. So AR labels can tell more about the values in some entertaining form. Drinks and food brands can tell more about product ingredients or share some recipes. Many companies that use this opportunity of creation of interactive AR labels experienced increase in sales and higher level of engagement and more effective brand recognition. Just among these brands are Heinz, 19 Crimes, and Martini. And the last solution is product AR catalog. Some companies are still using printed media to promote their products. I don't know if these printed media are a good solution. I might guess that it costs a lot, but I know that companies can use printed media to create interactive AR application, to visualize or even animate the content in these printed catalogs and make it more engaging. It's possible to animate a page in the magazine to showcase a car or a smartphone with the help of augmented reality. It's possible to bring to life the catalog with toys. Visualizing products from the catalogs with the help of augmented reality is the best way to use printed media right now, because it gives the whole choice to the customers, and it engages them. The company that is using this possibility with the best efficiency is IKEA, of course. So that is the solution number 5. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please write me an email or connect me in LinkedIn. We have a lot of augmented reality solutions that can fit any retailer, and we are ready to share with our ideas. Thank you.